Okay, it's not typically what we show, but this is a great car nonetheless. This is my mother's personal Mercedes. It's a 2020 GLE 580. This is where high performance meets luxury. Under the hood is a bi-turbo V8 motor making almost 500 horsepower. It's all-wheel drive, and of course, it has all the Mercedes features. As a matter of fact, this has $26,000 in options alone. And this has been my mother's car, and I can tell you it's just in outstanding condition. Go to volocars.com where you can find 200 classic cars all for sale, and you'll find a lot more information on this one right here, including the price, and we have financing, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, I'm no expert on these new cars, so I hope I get it right here. This is diamond white metallic. That I know for a fact, and it's beautiful paint, got little tiny sparkles in it. The body's in excellent shape everywhere. It's all straight, fits beautifully. There's gonna be a little mark here or there in the paint, which I'll try and point out, but all this is excellent. Not a door ding. The lower ground effect here is excellent. Now here's some little rock chips that have gathered right on that area there. All this is looking in excellent shape. When the light hits it, that's when you really see the metal flake. All this is looking really nice. It's a power lift in back. It has this optional chrome piece here so you don't scuff as you push things in. It also has this clear coat, that plastic film, to prevent any scratches. It has the chrome down below there. All LED lights and tail lights. Blacked out windows. This upper spoiler was an option. Has some nice designs. Has the chrome around the door handles and like the brush trim around the windows, all dark windows. The windows up front are just a real light smoke, it looks like. So the body's in excellent shape. Same thing, you're gonna have some little stone chips here. Um, I'm sure up front here is probably, yeah, here's a little tiny rock chip. The grille's in beautiful shape. The big Mercedes emblem, chrome down low there. LED daylights, running lights. The projector beam headlights move around. 22-inch AMG wheels. It says AMG right on it. Big, beautiful wheel. This one's got a little curb rash. My mom must have scuffed the curb at a drive-up window or something. The back one looks great. All-season tires they put on here. Originally it came with some performance tires, and they wouldn't get very good traction. But it's all-season tires. Now I want to tell you, my mom and my father, they both live right here in the property. She doesn't drive to work or go anywhere other than, you know, when she would go up to Door County, something like that on the highway. The car's pampered. She bought it with just like 3,000 or 4,000 miles on it back in 2020. It was practically new, and she's owned it since. Why don't we open it up? Also has the full tow package as another option on it as well. GLE 580. Now let's open it up. I'll show you some of the cool features it has. Your power lift tailgate. It also has the power close, and then there's a button here you can hit and it'll close and then lock the whole car, so you don't have to get your key fob out and lock the car when you're done. You can see plenty of room back here for storage. The rear seats will flip forward. You have a little 12-volt receptacle back here. You got some hooks for tying things down. Still has the original Mercedes first aid kit underneath here. Full-size spare. Mercedes doesn't come with that. Looks like it has the tools under there. Yeah, you buy a new Mercedes and they don't come with a spare. It's all real nice and clean back here. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, talk about comfort. There's a lot of features in here that are pretty amazing. You see the door panels, they're like brand new. I don't know if anyone even hardly ever sat in the back seat. All leather upholstery. The back seat is heated. There's a center armrest with cup holders. I could have sworn my dad said the back seat reclined as well. But very roomy, very comfortable, nice firm. But my knees got plenty of room. And in the pictures, you'll see this is all lit up. It's a 4-zone climate control. You got all these features from back here. Michael will demonstrate that in a little bit. But this all looks to be in excellent shape. Even the carpets, the back seats hardly ever been sat in. Door jambs, the weather strips, all in excellent shape. Look at the door panels there. There's all sorts of memories for the seats and power locks. Power seat will move all different directions. Big screen going all the way across. This has the head-up display. More features in here than I understand, but it has the map right here. You can put the map over here. There's all sorts of settings and things you can play around with. This has something called energizing comfort. This has heated seats, massage seats. It has a fragrance, it has a perfume it'll spray out if you need to be refreshed. The dash is excellent. Nothing's cracked or anything. It has this beautiful wood trim. All the buttons and knobs are in excellent shape. Here's the center console. Looks like it has a charging pad. 2 sets of fobs, not just one, but 2 from Mercedes. Now these are heated and cooled cup holders. My dad said he has seen frost on them. So you're going on a trip, you put your can of pop there. It'll keep it cold, or if you have your coffee,
book is empty. Telephone unavailable. You can now
if you have
connect
your
your
coffee,
phone.
it'll keep it hot. You got all the controls here, which Michael will demonstrate some of those. You got the center console. You got the Mercedes book right here. Some other Mercedes items. Carpets are in excellent shape. Leather seats. I mean, it's the only little bit of break-in right there, but it's not ripped or torn at all. All genuine leather, heated, cooled. It has quick heating. Even the armrests are heated. It'll heat up real fast. It'll even show like a flame on the screen with a crackling noise in the winter. My mom loves that feature, and they only had it, I believe, that 1 year is what I'm told. Up above, we have all the LED lighting, more controls, and then check out the front to back skylight, sunroof. This opens in front. I'm sure I'm not doing it any justice describing the options because it's not my car. I'm not real familiar with it, but those are the few of the things I know, and Michael's going to demonstrate it better with you. Now, my dad being a car guy, you know, the founder of the Auto Museum here, he doesn't own an electric car, and he wants a V8. This is a twin turbo, or they call it bi-turbo V8 motor. So it has that nice V8 sound when you take off. 486 horsepower, and it has something called an EQ boost. I think when you hit it, I read it, it adds another 21 horsepower. 516 pounds of torque. And there is absolutely nothing the matter with this entire vehicle that we are aware of. That's not why she's selling it. She's had it about 5 years now, and frankly, just time to get something different. So they are not selling it because there's anything the matter with the car. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, and we'll talk in a minute.
This car is so fancy, I feel like I needed to wear something a bit more formal today. With almost $25,000 in factory options alone, to say this car is luxurious is an understatement. The founders and owners of Volo Auto Museum, Greg and Myra Grams, drove this car personally because they can appreciate the refined quality that only a top-of-the-line Mercedes-Benz can provide. And they love the raw power of the 483 horsepower bi-turbo V8 too. With extras like active body control and driver assistance package plus, its handling and stability on the road are unmatched. Combine that that with the Acoustic Comfort Package, MBUX Technology Package, Warmth and Comfort Package, and the Energizing Comfort Package Plus, you'll be able to smell success every time you open the door, then drive your way to enhanced well-being and reduced fatigue after long, hard days spent making your dreams come true, just like Greg and Myra did alongside their family. It's fully loaded with additional options, including soft closed doors, heated rear seats, Burmester surround sound system, 4-zone automatic climate control, trailer hitch, MBUX multimedia system, heated steering wheel, power panorama roof, heated and cooled cup holders, high performance tires, wood leather steering wheel, natural grain walnut trim, roof spoiler, exterior lighting package, parking assistance package, plus much more. And you'll even look sexier sporting the optional 22-inch AMG twin 5-spoke rims. So click the Buy It Now button to change your life forever and experience sitting in the seat of greatness.
So underneath the car is very clean. I know it has a dual exhaust system. I have the list here of the options, and again, there's $26,000 in extras. It has the adaptive cruise control. It has all the high-tech infotainment system. You can just tell the car to do whatever you want to do. You can say, turn the massage seat on the passenger side, and it will do it. All sorts of stuff that this thing has an extra. Someone's going to get a fantastic vehicle here. Nice SUV with some performance behind it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your home. If you need financing, we can help with that too. Thanks for watching.